Alright, what up everybody? This is Fly Trainer here. And I got a little issue I want to show y'all and show y'all how to fix and remedy. And this is really gonna apply to anything that you have of weather stripping variety that is like maybe leaking, you're getting water in your car or anything. So you know, around the door trim you have weather stripping. If you're getting some issues there where it's sagging, I'll just show you the little simple fix, a solution to you know, fix this, especially with my sunroof. So I got the sunroof open. You can see it, the weather strip is sagging. But, you know, this simple stuff you see in the auto stores, man, it's very inexpensive. I think it's $9, but it's a pretty big tube I'm gonna use for a while. And you can use it on anything, like if your doors are leaking or any of that, man, it's gonna help you. So this stuff you can do yourself, you know, man, woman, child, young kid, 15, 16, don't matter. This is really easy. I'm gonna just show you the way I'm gonna do it and how to get the best results. Exceptional bond strength, family bonds, gasket and seals. Really all it says is apply a uniform coat of adhesive to each side, but don't close the bond. Let it dry and get tacky, and then assemble it once it's tacky. And I'm gonna follow these directions to a T and show y'all. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so doesn't take much tools, but first, anything you're doing, always want to clean the surfaces first. So I got a little bit of just brake parts cleaning because it dries really fast and evaporates really quickly. All in there, that hole, all the way. Really, I'm gonna just keep going a little bit past where it was coming up, because if I put this in here, it's really strong. The rest of it is gonna be weak and old, so I might as well dig it up a little bit more than it was where it was sagging from. All right, and now that's clean. I'm just gonna stick it in there, and I'm gonna be sure to wipe away the excess before I let any of it dry. All right, so this is where I'm at. All I really did was run my hand down the seam, pressing firmly, and I stopped about halfway, put a couple pieces of tape on to hold it together, and then you know, both sides of the surface, the side of the weather stripping and the side of the sunroof, the inner channel, both were coated with the sealer gasket adhesive, the gasket adhesive material. And once I got past the halfway mark again, I put some tape, pressed firmly, riding it all the way down. It bunched up a little bit, but I kept pressing, and then eventually sealed very nicely right around here. Again, put some more tape to hold that, and I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. This doesn't have a drying or really curing time, and that's also gonna depend too on the degree of the the weather that you're in. And right now it's probably about 87, 89 degrees. So the temperature on the car is a lot hotter, and it's a black car, a gloss black car. So this should probably be good in like probably another 10 minutes. So I'm gonna come back and peel tape off and then close the sunroof and let you see how it looks. So I just got finished wiping everything down, and here's the finished product. It's not sagging anymore. It's not perfect, but hey, it's not sagging anymore. That's all that matters. Before and after. So you got the after. You've seen before. It's a lot better. Let's open and close this. See how she hold up. Oh yeah, much better. I don't have that hole in the middle on the gap. Perfect. There you go. If you guys liked what I showed you, you think you can use it, please feel free to like and subscribe. I mean, I hope this helps somebody out. Somebody got something leaking, or their weather trim on one of their doors is falling apart. Man, I hope this helps you out. Because this stuff is simple, it's easy to do, and sometimes you just need a little guidance. You just need to see somebody else do it first. So that was the whole purpose of this. So I hope you got the confidence now to go out and tackle this yourself. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.